What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing to you the best trading signals indicator out there. This one's called Lux Algo. As you can see here, this is what Lux Algo looks like here when you have it. They have these buy and sell indicators here. They also have some new indicators with new price action concepts. So I'm very excited about that. We'll probably get into that in a future video, but for now I wanted to give you the rundown. If you recently had Black Friday come and go or Cyber Monday, unfortunately, it looks like they have removed their lifetime subscription, which really bites. But they still have the monthly, quarterly, and yearly on sale right now, 40% off when you use the coupon code here at the top. So you go ahead and take advantage of that. But let me get into a little bit as to why you'd want to use this. So let's go ahead. We're looking at BNB, but I kind of want to look somewhere else. Let's look at Ethereum for right now. So we're going to go ahead over to crypto, hit Ethereum, and we're gonna go ETH and US dollar. We're gonna click on that. And for right now, as you can see here, we've had a lot of action here. We had a mega strong sell signal here. And as you can see, it was pretty accurate. And then a very nice buy signal indicator, kind of indicating, hey, there's some upward movement potentially coming, according to the algorithm, of course. And again, let's go a little bit deeper. For if you see here, right here in the corner, it says optimal sensitivity. You can actually modify your sensitivities. I have another video I'll put somewhere here on the video, hopefully, to give you the best optimal settings for using Lux Algo. I'll go ahead and show you a little bit real quick though. If you click on the signals here, it says optimal sensitivity would be 23. Currently it's at 12. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch that to 23 and hit OK. Now what that does is it basically moves your indicators, as you can see there. And depending, this is kind of like a catch-all sensitivity, whether you're using a zoomed in or farther out kind of thing. This is more of like I would like to say a longer term trend view, with the way that they have the sensitivity set up for the optimal sensitivity. But if you wanted to go a little bit deeper, again, check out that other video on some of the more finer tuned points. Also, if you wanted to just not worry about that whole, modifying the settings, you can just click autopilot signal settings, hit OK, and then that will kind of give you a nice happy medium. And so you can just kind of set it and forget it. If you're a beginner and you just kind of want to hey, get some ideas of when would be a good time to buy and sell without a whole bunch of, technical knowledge, that's the one you want to go with and do. And so you can do that, and I think you'll be set. So that's just something to keep in mind. This is essentially what it is. It just gives you a nice view on the market, a different perspective on the market to see kind of what kind of data can you gather so that you can kind of figure out, hey, with the market conditions, this tool is pretty accurate. Okay. I've been using it for a long time. I love using it. And again, right now for the holidays, until they decide to shut it down, as far as the sale, 40% off. If you're definitely thinking that you're going to either be a beginner trader, intermediate, or advanced, Lux Algo's got something for you. Click the link in the description to go ahead and get involved with Lux Algo. Again, you can pay, the monthly, quarterly, or yearly. And there's also an option to pay with crypto, which is super nice because heck, we're all into crypto, am I right? Or you should be if you're not. So there's also a VIP Discord group. And there's also something called optibot, which I like to show you really quick, briefly. You can actually go to the Discord group. You can actually go and sort by the chart type. So if you're on the 4-hour chart, you can kind of actually use this back-tested data here to be able to, well, actually, let me pull it down here. Here's most updated here. So this is stocks, Forex, indices, and there's crypto. These settings change on a daily. And also, this is something you can adjust to get even a more specified look at certain assets, such as Ethereum. You can adjust your sensitivity to 22. You can adjust your agility 30. You can make it more manual, and that will give you the most profitable settings for each specific asset. So if you want to get more advanced, that's in the Discord group. And once you have the Lux Algo purchase, you can go ahead and utilize that to the fullest extent. So again, check out one of my other videos. I'll leave a link in the description as well, or somewhere on this video. You can take a look at some of the best settings. And I'll be doing more videos on settings and things like that in the future. But I just wanted to give you an update. If you did miss that 60% off sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, I know you want to boohoo, cry your eyes out, but that's not a big deal. There's still 40%. and you can still get a great deal and make the most profits out of your trades. So this is great for stocks, indices, crypto, currencies, commodities, dude. It's amazing. I stand behind it 100%. Click the link below and get involved. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can see the next video. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do advise you to check out my next video. Be alpha.